Tanno Aditya Prachodayat. This video shall guide us through an outpatient evaluation session at Karthik Nethralaya Institute of Ophthalmology, Bangalore. Karthik Nethralaya has an extremely unique patient outflow system. The outpatient examination session is meticulously planned so that the world-class ophthalmic care is provided at quickest possible time in a 5-star ambience. As soon as the guest walks into the doors of Karthik Nethralaya, he or she is guided by the security to our reception area. Our disabled guest can directly enter the lift from their car at the basement or take a wheelchair at the ramp. Guests are greeted with hearty smile by our front office executive. Registration process is extremely simple and quick. Our electronic medical record system allows us to retrieve out patient records just by his name or even contact number, and also supports our Go Green policy. The same slip with all the patient details is carried to our outpatient service area. A short history, as we call it, is taken by a doctor or an optometrist. This is a very unique process where the examinations and investigations to be performed in that session are jotted down. This saves a lot of time and avoids unnecessary waiting. An autorefractokeratometry or ARK is performed, which gives details like refraction and corneal curvature. NIDEC OPD3 scan is performed, which gives details of the entire optical system, that is, from tears to retina. It gives very enormous data like wavefront refraction, corneal and lenticular astigmatism, corneal topography, higher order aberration, pupil measurements, ocular photos, and also an estimation of patient probable vision. These details reach the optometrist phoropter through a LAN cable even before the guest reaches him. Guests are directed to an optometrist who perform elaborate history taking, visual acuity evaluation, refraction, Amsler's grid, color vision, and pupillary examination. Advice on the type of lenses and selection of frames is also given. Then the guest is seen by an ophthalmic specialist according to the problem he or she has. A thorough slit lamp biomicroscopy, retinal examination, intraocular pressure evaluation, gonioscopy, and special tests are performed. Disease and treatment options are discussed in detail. Counselors can be reached when a disease is newly diagnosed or surgeon is advised. In case investigation is advised, guest is guided to diagnostic department. Details of surgery is provided by the surgical department. The tariff for various procedure is well displayed. The doctor's prescription and bill directly reaches to the cash counter again through LAN, from where the guest collects the same. Medicines could be purchased at KN Pharma. The pharmacist explains the right method of installation of drops. Spectacles and contact lenses could be selected from the wide range available at Deepthi Opto Visuals. And finally, guest feedback is collected by forms, messages, personal calls, and emails. So, this completes happy, satisfied visit to Karthik Nethralaya.